One thing that you should know about dark liquid lipsticks, or just dark lipsticks period, is that whenever you are wearing it, you must ensure to make sure you conceal around your mouth if you have any form of dark circles or darkness around your mouth, which a lot of people tend to have darkness around their mouth. I do, and a lot of other people do too. Because I'm not sure if you can see it, but I can see it in my mirror, that whenever you wear dark colors, it pulls the darkness from the surrounding area. So if you're not properly color corrected and concealed right there, it can make the skin around your mouth look really dark. So what I do is I make sure I color correct and make sure I stamp out all traces of the darkness in my skin, or I'll highlight around my mouth area only when I know I'm wearing a bold dark lip. So that's a tip. Bet me later by subscribing. Hey, no, no.